Do you want to remove your Google account from your Android phone? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the simple steps of removing your Google account from your Android device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device and then scroll down until you see an option called Accounts and Backup. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, tap Manage Accounts. And now you will be able to see a list of all of your accounts on your Android device. Find and tap on the Google account. And now, at the bottom, you have the option to remove this account. So go ahead and tap the Remove Account button. And then simply tap Remove Account one more time to confirm your action, and that will do exactly what it says. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.